Hello traders. In today's video, we're going to discuss the kill candle trading strategy and how to identify these high momentum candles on your charts. We'll look at how it appears and what it implies. First, what is a kill candle? Kill candle refers to a large decisive candlestick that shows strong momentum in one direction. As you can see on the chart, yeah, this candle typically have a large body relative to the surrounding candles like this one and relatively small wicks, as you can see, indicating that one side of the market maintained control throughout the period. Kill candles often appear during key session opens, around major news events, or when price breaks through significant levels, like this one. It broke through. Since this is a strategy concept, we have no need for indicator settings. However, key factors to study include candle body size relative to recent average candle sizes, wick to body ratio, volume confirmation, the context in which the candle appears, such as at key support or resistance levels, and the session timing. This strategy is suited for traders who focus on price action and momentum analysis. It is more of an educational framework and does not guarantee any trading results. Not every large candle leads to continuation, as you can see here, and kill candles can sometimes represent exhaustion moves, as I showed you earlier. This is the uptrend of the kill candle before the downtrend, showing exhaustion moves. Context, confirmation, and proper risk management are essential. That's going to wrap up today's video, folks. If you'd like to download this resource or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. This is the Forex Geek, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.